Yo, VIP, let's kick it. Rice, rice, baby. Rice, rice, baby.
Okay, stop. Concentrate and listen. Kenhub's here, nobody better miss it. You're walking down the street and your foot starts twisting. You're in a lot of pain and your words are stitching. You look at your foot and you start yelling. That ligament sprain and the foot is swelling. It's painful. Your foot got a problem. How you gonna solve it? I know a way, you just gotta involve it. Use rice, rice, baby. You just need rice, rice, baby.
Okay, I'll stop rapping, if I really have to. I was just brushing up on my clinical skills when dealing with the ligaments of the foot. So, the ligaments of the foot are very numerous, so it's no wonder learning about them seems daunting. Trust me, I've been there. Spraining a ligament in your foot is almost less painful than trying to learn them all by heart. If only there was a way to be more systematic about it, that would make it all easier. Well, that's what we've done for you in this tutorial. We've categorised the ligaments into more manageable subgroups, based on which joint they're associated with, to make things a little easier. We'll cover all the ligaments associated with the joints between the tarsal bones, any joints associated with the metatarsal bones, and interphalangeal joints. And we'll finish the tutorial with some clinical notes. Before you continue with me though, I need to first double check that you're up to speed on the bones of the foot. You're going to need to know all about these before learning about the ligaments here. So if you need a refresher, why not first check out our tutorial on the bones of the foot, which will remind you everything you need to know. If you're ready, let's get started with the ligaments of the foot. First up are the ligaments associated with the talocalcaneal joint. The talocalcaneal joint, also known as the subtalar joint, is the joint between the talus and the calcaneus bones of the foot. We have 4 ligaments here: the lateral, medial, posterior, and interosseous talocalcaneal ligaments. You'll notice that quite conveniently, most ligaments of the foot are named after the bones they connect. Maybe they're not so bad after all. The lateral talocalcaneal ligament is a short, flat and slim band which extends downwards and posteriorly from the lateral process of the talus to the lateral surface of the calcaneus, just lateral to its posterior articular surface. On the opposite side, we have the medial talocalcaneal ligament, and this is also a short, strong ligament which connects the medial tubercle of the talus to the posterior talus shelf, or the sustentaculum tali, of the calcaneus, and the adjacent medial surface of the calcaneus. It often blends with the tibiocalcaneal ligament of the ankle joint. Together, the medial and lateral talocalcaneal ligaments act to reinforce the talocalcaneal joint capsule.
This video is not over yet. Continue watching now the full video at kenhub.com. We have lots more videos like this one available to our premium members on our website, not to mention all the fun quizzes, related articles, and atlas sections. So click on the button in the middle to watch the full-length video and master anatomy.